welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the two of the boat seat swivel 6¼ inch block base mounting plate hardware. So I got this from eBay. It's $10.07 each, free shipping. And then with tax and everything, it's about $21.90. But some of the sellers sent from Amazon. So I went to Amazon, I checked it out. I think the cheapest I found was like $9.99, which is about 8 cents difference. So I figure with the eBay bucks, I could earn some money through that. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. The reason I got this is because I'm custom build my son's folding bed. So I will need to design. Instead of buying the Murphy bed hardware kit, they range from $2 something up to $600 or $700 or even more. Depends what kind of kit that you purchase. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and then show you guys what it look like. So there you go. So unfortunately, they don't come with those screw and nuts. So I need to purchase separately. And that's just air bubble. Yeah, I just touched the grease over there. So anyway, you probably wondering what is this green thing that I built. This is a model that I built, okay? So I represent the folding bed. So this is the frame. And then some people, they build some more right here on both sides for the bookshelf. So imagine you fold down the bed. And then I will have this shelf. It will be like a L shelf. So whenever it falls down, this thing is going to shift and become a stand. Although the Murphy bed has this hardware bar right here, you fold it down, become the feet for the bed to sit on. So imagine this is the mattress. And some people, they use an elastic band right here on the corner to strap down the mattress. So yeah. So I built this model yesterday. And then later on, this plate came in. So I'll need to draw some more design. And then do the actual cutting of the wood. And some people, they designed have some kind of wood trim to make it look nicer. So yeah, anyway, that's kind of give you an idea what I'm gonna build. And hopefully I could film the process of building this folding bed. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up. like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.